Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be mowing, my yard. As you all can see, there's some tall weeds and such. This mower hasn't started in a while. I just put gas in it and I primed it with the red primer right there. If I can find a stand or something for this, I'm gonna put the camera down here and I'm gonna try to start it, and cause I can't start this with one head gotta grab the safety deal. Sorry about that. Anyways, it's gonna need to grab onto this, and the other hand's gonna have to grab onto the pull rope. So a way to put the camera down. See if I can lean it against something. There we go, guys. Anyways, I guess it runs, and I'm gonna mow the front yard. Surprisingly, it started on the first pull too. This thing hasn't ran in a while. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Quick video for y'all. See y'all later.